dear students, I am Priyanka and in today's class we are going to discuss about cooperative society. This is the fourth form of business organization. Already we have covered sole proprietorship, Hindu undivided family or joint Hindu family business. Then we have covered partnership firm and this is the fourth form. Okay, fourth form is cooperative societies. As name itself explains, the main motive is cooperation. We are having service motive here. Means what? Persons who want to protect themselves from the middleman. They are forming an organization and they are helping each other. It is called as cooperative society. You might have observed in your rural places or where you are staying, the cooperative milk cooperative societies or banks are there, cooperative banks are there. Those are the examples of such businesses. Okay. First of all, what is the meaning of cooperative societies? You have to remember some keywords. Okay. Which are those keywords? The cooperative society is a voluntary association. What is the keyword here? Voluntary. Voluntary means what? There is no compulsion on the membership. No one can force you to become the member of a particular cooperative society. If you want to become with your own desire, you can become a member. If you wish to leave that cooperative society, you can leave with a simple notice. You have to give a prior notice. That is the simple process. Okay, that's why it is considered as a voluntary association. Voluntary associations are those where the membership cannot be forced on anybody or you are not having any compulsion. Understood? Then the cooperative society is a voluntary association of persons who join together with the motive of welfare of the members. Okay, 10 members are there means the motive means what here? Purpose. Okay, in simple words, motive means purpose. Purpose is to help each other or to protect the interest of all. For example, you are 10 farmers, your 10 friends are there, your friends, you have 5 or 6 friends, including you, 7 members are there. Okay, all the 7 members or all of you are doing farming activities. Now, you will form a farmers cooperative society. What is your motive? You are growing some crops and you want to sell in the market. Okay, while selling, middleman may gain more profit and he may give less price or less profit to you. To avoid that, what you will do, along with your friends, you will form a cooperative society. And together, you are doing all the activities like transporting those crops till market, selling there and getting the profit. All the activities are managed by your cooperative society. Now, purpose is to protect the welfare of all the members. Understood? In the same way, the people who are doing dairy or milk production, understood, they are forming a cooperative society. Like this, in types of cooperative society, I will tell you different types. But purpose is what? To protect the welfare of others and to protect themselves from the middleman. Understood? Then, what are the features or characteristics of cooperative society? As I tell you always, I explain you. First of all, you have to understand the meaning. On the basis of meaning itself, you can write the features. Okay. Now, what is the first feature? Voluntary membership. I have explained here. Same explanation you can write. Membership is voluntary, no compulsion. Whenever the member wishes, he can leave the membership with a prior notice. Then, legal status. What do you mean by legal status? And another point you can write here, voluntary membership. Here there is no discrimination on the basis of gender, caste or anything. Anybody can become the member, but the motive must be similar. For example, farmers cooperative society means only farmers because they are having a common interest. Okay, like that. But there is no discrimination on the basis of any other factors like caste, gender or education. Okay. Then legal status means what? Legal status means in the eyes of law. Okay, in the eyes of law, the members and that cooperative society both are different. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is you must register the cooperative society under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Okay, you have to remember these acts. Can you tell me which was the act governing or controlling partnership business? Partnership business is governed by Partnership Act 1932. Okay, in the same way, Cooperative Society Act 1912, under this, the members should register their cooperative society. They have to give a name to that. Then, legal status means what here? Members are different and cooperative society is different. In case of sole proprietorship, if I start a business, my legal status and my business is not having different legal entities. We both are same there. Okay. But in case of cooperative society, the society can purchase the property in its own name. For example, if I am having Farmer Cooperative Society, then if I am the member of Farmers Cooperative Society, we can purchase the property in the name of Farmers Cooperative Society. Okay, and I can purchase the property or assets in the name of that particular society. But in case of sole proprietorship, what happens? The legal entity is not separate. Okay, no legal entity or no separate entity in case of sole proprietorship. But here, in the eyes of law, cooperative society is having separate legal existence. If any fraud happens or case is there, anyone wants to file a case against your cooperative society, he will file case against the cooperative society's name, not your individual name. Understood? Then, control. Control means what? Who is going to control the cooperative society? In case of cooperative society, there is a election. Okay? How government is formed in India. Okay? In the same way, elections are going to happen, and in that members are having voting power. One member, one vote. They are having membership and they are having voting power. They will vote and they will elect the committee, and that particular committee will take the decision. Understood? Then next one is service motive. As I have told you, the motive or the purpose, you can write the purpose also. Service motive means what? Purpose. The purpose of cooperative society is to protect the welfare of all the members. No member should be exploited, or he should not be having any problem in market while selling his goods. So they are forming a cooperative society. Understood? So these are the 5 important features of cooperative society. In next class, we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of cooperative society.